Hello, I'm Timo Achterbosch from the Corporate Services team at MSA. At MSA, we specialize in accounting and strategic advisory services for international businesses operating in China and across Asia. One of the areas we support in is securing work visas for international employees. Today, I'll walk you through the process of getting a work visa for you or your team in China. China remains a significant market for global businesses due to its dynamic economy, manufacturing strength, and vast consumer base. But securing work visas for international employees required detailed documentation, strict regulatory requirements, and specific compliance procedures. The main entry visa for foreign employees is the Z visa, which must later be converted into a work permit and a residence permit. Within the Z visa, you have different kinds of tiers you can apply to. The first tier is a Tier A visa, or a first-class talent visa. This relates mostly to top experts and highly qualified specialists. They may qualify for a long-term residence permit of up to 10 years. You also have a Tier B visa, or a second-class talent visa. This relates mostly to professionals, typically with a bachelor's degree and at least 2 years of work experience. These permits last from 1 to 3 years. The last type of visa you can apply to is a Tier C, or third-class talent visa. This is mostly for short-term workers, such as interns or trainees, with permits valid for 6 months to 1 year. Tier A professionals might qualify for a special R visa for high-end talent, while Tier B and C workers will get a Z visa to get entry into China and then convert it to a work or residence permit. So let's break down the steps. The Z visa is the entry visa for foreign employees, which must be followed by obtaining a foreigner's work permit after arrival in China and subsequently a residence permit. The work permit authorizes employment, while the residence permit allows legal residency. The process starts with employers checking eligibility. This means verifying qualifications, confirming at least 2 years of relevant work experience, and ensuring the employee has a valid passport. Next, the employers must then obtain a foreigner's work permit notification from the State Administration of Foreign Expert Affairs. The employee can apply for a Z visa at a Chinese embassy or consulate in their home country. After arriving in China, the employer helps the employee to convert the Z visa into a foreigner's work permit card. The final step is registering with the local public security bureau to obtain the residence permit. Every step has strict documentation and timing requirements. A mistake or delay can slow things down, so careful planning is essential. Employers also need to keep track of renewals to stay compliant. That's why starting the visa application process 2 to 3 months in advance is recommended. Early planning helps manage unexpected delays or additional documentation needs, ensuring employees start on time. Even after securing the visa and permits, employers must continue to report any changes, including promptly notifying the local authorities of employment terminations or modifications to an employee's position or location. MSA can help you through each stage, from preparing the paperwork to interacting with authorities. Contact our corporate services team if you need support with China work visas or global mobility. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the MSA channel for more insights into doing business in China.